All right, so this is a suggestion from Patreon. The name of the song is Sledgehammer by the artist Peter Gabriel. Listen, if you are new here, please like and subscribe. The more that you like this content, the more that I know that you specifically would like to see more of this specific type of content, okay? Let's go ahead and just jump into this immediately. We have the lyrics pulled up just in case we need them. And let's go ahead and jump into this immediately, guys. Go ahead and check it out.
One, two, three, go!
Super strong introduction, guys. This is going to be interesting. All right. Funky. Had to make sure my wife wasn't around. Oh my God, what is this, guys? This is dirty, guys. I think this is. You could have a steam train if you just lay down your tracks. I don't even. I feel slightly uncomfortable. I feel like I'm sweating, guys. Okay. Right. I will say, regardless of the absolutely obvious, feels like meaning of the song, right? You could have a Big Dipper. Yeah. Okay. Listen, musically, they're stunning, no question here. It feels funky, guys. Like, if you understand what I mean by that, like, the groove is solid. Everyone is doing their part very well. The song sounds great, guys. It's just nasty. All right, it's just nasty. All right, maybe a little too nasty for my ears. All right. Open up your fruit cage. Like the forbidden fruit. I think it's going down that lane maybe. The fruit is sweet. A lot of fruit resemble, anatomy. Like a papaya split open. Potentially, I don't know, guys. It's weird. All right, I'm a little uncomfortable here. Let's just continue. Song is great though. It's just uncomfortable. Okay. I feel like he's sexually harassing her on the stage, just a little bit. I don't know. Could be wrong. What is this move that he is doing? Bro, could you imagine? Could you imagine you being a male, right? And then there's a female, obviously, or male, whatever your thing is, right? But you get what I'm saying. There's someone that you're about to consensually penetrate, and your motions or your movements were the movements that he's doing on the stage. He's gyrating his hips and doing this, right? Thrusting his hips. Imagine if that's. I think you would be laughed at, sir. You would be. You know you would be. But it is entertaining to watch, though. Let's continue.
Sledgehammer. Let there be no doubt about it. Sledgehammer.
Yeah, musically, there are no flaws, guys. The grooves are clean.
I kick the habit, shed my skin.
I kick the habit.
This is the new stuff. I go dancing in. Won't you show me? I will show for you. Won't you show for me? I will show for you. Oh, you.
Yeah, no problems, guys. He's doing it again, guys. He's doing it again.
Won't you show for me?
Show for me.
I will show for you. Won't you show for me? I will show for you. Oh, feel the power. Feel the power. Feel it every day.
That thing that he's doing is hilarious, guys.
Come on, help me do
It is.
what we do day and night.
Yeah, that was fire, bro. No complaints. Feed me more. Feed me more of whatever this is. Energy level is just top tier. He's obviously a performer. He belongs on stage. He was born to do this and exactly this, guys. Stunning performance, stunning song, stunning musically. The whole band is great, guys. I don't know if the whole band is called Peter Gabriel or just the lead singer is Peter Gabriel. But either way, guys, amazing, guys. No complaints. Let me know in the comments the next one of these from him or them, right? I should be listening to, and I'll get to that as soon as I can. And listen, you guys all have an amazing day. Enjoy it thoroughly, all right?